Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how the United Nations promotes and protects human rights around the globe. It's a massive and complex undertaking, but the UN plays an indispensable role in safeguarding our fundamental freedoms. The UN's commitment to human rights stems directly from its founding principles, born from the ashes of World War II. Its very first major achievement in this area was the creation of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, in 1948. This landmark document outlines basic rights and freedoms for all people. While not a legally binding treaty itself, it has inspired countless national constitutions and international laws, setting a universal standard for human dignity. To operationalize these principles, the UN has established several key bodies and mechanisms. The Human Rights Council, HRC, is a central intergovernmental body. It meets regularly to address human rights violations worldwide. It can launch investigations and issue recommendations to states. The Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, OHCHR, serves as the principal UN office for human rights. It leads global human rights efforts, provides support to governments, and monitors human rights situations on the ground. Beyond these, the UN system includes numerous human rights treaties. These are international agreements that countries sign and ratify, committing to uphold specific rights. Examples include the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, and the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Each of these treaties has a treaty body, a committee of independent experts. These committees monitor how well countries are implementing their obligations. They review state reports and issue recommendations for improvement. Another vital mechanism is the Special Procedures. These are independent human rights experts, either individuals, special rapporteurs, or working groups. They are appointed to monitor, investigate, and report on specific human rights issues or human rights situations in particular countries. They conduct country visits, communicate directly with governments, and bring attention to urgent human rights concerns. UN peacekeeping operations also often incorporate human rights components. These components work to protect civilians, monitor human rights, and help build national capacities to promote and protect human rights in post-conflict settings. Furthermore, the UN engages in extensive capacity building. This involves assisting countries in developing their own national human rights institutions, training law enforcement and judicial officials, and helping to reform laws to align with international standards. The UN also plays a significant role in advocacy and awareness raising. It launches global campaigns, provides educational resources, and continually reminds governments of their obligations. Through these multifaceted efforts, from setting global standards and monitoring compliance to providing direct assistance and raising public awareness, the UN works tirelessly to ensure that human rights are respected, protected, and fulfilled for everyone, everywhere. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the UN's crucial role in human rights. Understanding these mechanisms helps us appreciate the scale and importance of this work. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider supporting our channel. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions are incredibly valuable and enable us to continue creating content like this. We truly appreciate your support.